car behind.
Okay.
Okay. No, keep going. The car can still turn, right? No problem, right? Oh, not too hard, not too fast. Relax, bro. Relax. Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay, tight. Nanti the curb. Yes. Okay. Okay, there. You see the curb?
Yeah.
Okay, just go. Follow. Not too close. Wide. Okay, then come. Yes. Okay, all the way out. Open. Left. Okay, 150. Brake. Very tight turn, bro. There you can one. Okay, just get the feel.
Brake.
No, hey. Left. This one you have to follow. You have to touch on the curb. Now you miss already, never mind. Okay, on the right side, relax, little bit. Okay. Then touch the curb. Little bit. Okay, never mind. Run wide. Run wide.
Okay.
Keep going. Brake. Just kiss the curb. Whoa. Okay, little bit more. One more curb. This one, you don't make it two corner, you make it one corner. You touch the first apex, you touch the second one. You make it one big loop. This is the slowest corner in Sepang.
Okay, so here.
Okay, follow his line. Okay, never mind, just follow his line. Okay, brake. Left. Okay.
Follow line now.
Just follow his line first. Okay, running wide. Okay, brake in the straight line. Yes. Okay, good. Too much. Relax, slow down. His car handles better than yours.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, left. That one you have to touch the apex, Let it pass. Okay. That way. Okay. Turn. Okay. That way. Okay. Good.
Turn off the car already.
Brake. More. Not enough. See, you're too fast into the corner, you run wide. You don't brake a little bit, you brake progressive hard. Brake. Okay. Nice. Keep it tight. Nice. Tight a bit. Okay. Tight. Okay. Wait. Okay. Follow the line. Follow the red car on the outside. Okay. Run wide. Okay. Cut. Fast. Okay. Open. All the way out. Yes. Under brake. More. Okay. Bro, touch the curb. Go. Okay. Maintain throttle.
Maintain throttle.
Maintain throttle, slowly, half throttle. Okay, rapat until the curb. Okay, then right. On the curb. Touch the curb a bit. Okay, wide.
Okay. Oh, because the car behind is very scary.
Yeah, then let him pass. Just keep yourself wide, let him pass. Okay, go. This way. Yeah. Give some gap so that you don't catch up to him. Just follow his line only. Oh, race car lah, brother.
I know, okay. If you are driving,
Brake. More. Left. He also late braking. Too too much already. You follow him, he also make mistake. Okay. One wide. 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 Okay. Brake. Little bit. Turn. Okay. Run wide a bit. Okay. Cut. Follow like that. This side of the apex is still inside. Okay. Okay. Touch inside. Touch.
No need brake ah?
Just lift off. This one no need to brake. Ah, nice. Touch inside. Wait ah. Okay. Hold. Straight. That way. Go that way. Brake in a straight line. That way. Then you turn. This one is the 2 gears. You saw or not? But that one is like this.
I brake now?
No. Now. Yes. Okay, turn. Tight. Oh, too fast. Okay. Nice. Use the track. You're not touching the curb yet. Over there.
Overtake ah? I do take overtake.
Okay. Too late already. Brake more. You see like him, huh? Wait. Okay. Left, cut. Okay, nice. Okay, follow. Okay, there, wait, steady, go. Out. More. Okay, brake now. More. Okay, turn. Touch. Just touch, bro. Touch the curb.
Get me scared, bro. I'm sorry.
Okay, this one, pay attention. Just little bit here. Maintain total. Cut.
No need brake ah?
Cut. No need. This one already. Cut. Until touch. Feel the curb. Okay, this one also. Touch the curb. Go inside. On the curb. Okay, these two I want you to touch the curb.
Okay.
Wait, huh? Okay. Not yet. Okay, touch. Go. Touch the curb. This one also touch.
Oh shit, tayo, what's down here? Okay, start, brake.
Brake. More. I told you this turn is tight, huh?
Huh?
That turn is very tight. You have to brake a lot harder. Right. Okay. Wait some more there. Straight line. Okay, turn.
Touch the curb.
Yeah. All the curves you can touch. Okay, this one on the outside like him. Wide.
Okay.
Okay, touch. Straight. This way. Ah, there. Hey, no, don't follow him. Fuck. Okay, now straight. Okay, brake. Okay, follow. Turn. He also late. You have to brake harder and L the turn. This one. You don't know what? More. Okay, turn. Oh, that's why I say you didn't slow down enough.
Okay, go so fast.
Okay. Yeah, that's why. Don't kancong. Just relax only. Less movement, steering wheel and everything like that. Okay? Come on. Okay. Go.
Okay. I will let the curve first lah.
Yeah.
This is the third round.
Okay. Go.
Go ah.
Go.
I thought you left the car no ah. Third round.
Too slow. No, you have to keep it optimum. 100 brake. Not too hard lah. No, you turn too fast. This one you do it to touch the curb. Here. Okay, turn. don't open. Don't press the throttle when you're turning.
I feel like the car is drifting itself already now, you know.
That's right. Yeah, because now your tires are hot.
Okay.
Because you keep messing around, your tires are hotter now.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I do that too fast. I want to.
Yeah. Good. You don't overtake now. Too late already. Let the fella go in. Got car behind or not?
Right, a lot.
Huh?
A lot of cars.
Hey, come. Come in. Okay, just maintain that throttle. Touch. Oh, touch. Okay, touch. Are you touching? Yes. You feel it?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, okay. Now then you go wide. Don't keep tight. Okay, wait. Keep going. Brake. Touch the curb. Okay, straight that way. And then again. Same thing. And then wide. Remember, don't, when the car go inside, you let it go wide.
Flat tire. Flat tire. Okay, so now I go to the pit stop first.
Yeah, you have to go pit. What the hell is wrong now? Brake. Fuck.
Go very slow, bro, very slowly.
Yeah, keep on the outside line. Yeah. Wait, which tire? Can you feel?
Okay.
You see his line, You see he's straight, then he just cut. Hey, you got flat tire, why you push so hard?
Oh.
In. Yeah. They will let them have the inside line. You stay on the outside. You stay on this side. Yeah. Turn. Okay. Just stay on this side. Got car or not? No car, right?
Got one car.
Is he coming?
Yeah.
Okay, go right. Okay, go out. You signal out.
Up.
You signal out, yeah. Can you feel which tire?
I think it's not flat. I think it's just that because we have to memorize the PDF, the what first.
You have to memorize the what?
No, you have to reset the tire.
Too hot already lah. I think your temperature is way too high already.
For the tire.
I know 0.5 bar on the rear, man.
Yeah, but I don't think so. It's flat lah.
Yeah.